Kabarak, as he is one, of course, who has a lot to be thankful for the former president, particularly his political career. Many of us will remember at the point where he called now the current president, Uhuru Kenyatta, to stand in public, and he said that this is somebody who would take over KANU, and at that time, taking over KANU literally meant that you are likely to be president. Many may have thought that was a long shot because at that time he was not very active politically speaking, but today we live to tell the story that Moi possibly had foresight and gave us, as he said earlier on, Akisa, he was a political professor. So we can now, with the benefit of hindsight, say that indeed he did have foresight.
And a lot of people who are in leadership currently in our political space have been termed as Moi's political orphans, most of them starting their political careers with the KANU, starting with the head of state, President Uhuru Kenyatta, his deputy, Dr. William Ruto, who both served, and late President Daniel Moi, terming him as a mentor, a teacher to them. They wouldn't be this far politically if it were not lessons they got from this man, Raila Odinga, to just name a few. People at the helm of our political sphere right now, almost all of them owing it to the late President Daniel Arap Moi, even those who are currently in parliament terming him as a political mentor. And it was interesting yesterday to hear the former president, Tanzania, Benjamin Mkapa, also term the late President Daniel Moi as his mentor politically, giving us his dreams for regional integration, meaning this is not a dream that just started the other day. EAC was something Moi, and as you say, he had foresight, something that he had begun thinking about in the 70s when he took over presidency in 1978 after the death of the first president. So it's very interesting to hear how many people eulogizing
and not just local leaders. Like you mentioned, we also had Yoweri Museveni Kaguta mentioned that President Moi had foresight, and part of the reason why Kenya remained as peaceful as it was then was the leadership of Moi.